always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Well, we're back to the weekend now, and what a nice weekend we're going to see as far as temperatures. I think the better day is going to come in on Sunday. Tomorrow should be a little bit muggy again and a chance for a spot shower. Right now it's 78 degrees in Miami, Fort Lauderdale 75. We've got partly cloudy skies, and yes, it is a bit sticky out there on this Friday evening. As you can see, we don't have any rain showing up on radar. A couple of showers offshore. We had some spot showers over Broward County earlier this evening. They all made their way off to the north and east. Still dealing with some of that coastal flooding due to high tides. Of course, we're getting out of the king tide season, but we still have some salt water flooding here. Next high tide, we just left the high tide. Next one will be tomorrow at just afternoon. This is down in the Keys. You can follow this all the way along the Keys, and right here we still have a flood advisory in effect that runs from Marathon all the way up to Key Largo. And you go north, though, to Miami-Dade and Broward County. Again, high tides tomorrow morning, so that's where you're going to see the highest water levels right along the coastal areas. And be careful. You want to stay away from the beaches when you have high water like that. We'll have plenty of time to get out there later on. But right now, that south-southwesterly flow continues to bring the water up and along the shores. Frontal system coming through, those showers tomorrow, and I think even on Sunday. Computer modeling wants to put a few showers in here just due to the sea breeze front trying to move in. But with the winds turning to the north-northwest, that'll start to bring in some drier air. And I think that'll be a little bit more comfortable for you since we've had some pretty muggy days recently. Okay, let's take it hour by hour. Saturday morning, not bad, very nice. We've got light winds out there, and then you get the showers and even a storm popping up by the afternoon. 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. If you're going to be heading out, going to be outside, have that umbrella with you. Even into the early evening hours, especially Broward County up into Palm Beach County, still looking at some showers and maybe an isolated storm with the flow. That should push them off. And then look at this. By Sunday evening, even with the front that has gone through, with the winds turning, we still have a chance for an isolated shower, but I think overall it'll be much drier. Here's the water conditions, boating conditions tomorrow. Southwest winds at 5 to 10 knots. A light chop on those waters, seas 2 to 3 feet, both at the Keys and along Miami. And I want to give you a glimpse ahead. This is the next 6 to 10 days. This isn't including Thanksgiving, above average temperatures for South Florida, but look at the rest of the country. If you're going to be traveling, this is the only part of the country that's expecting to be above average. Pretty interesting, huh? But this weekend, temps will stay in the mid-80s. We have really dropped those rain chances down next week, and that's going to be your next weather. We'll be right back.